Welcome back. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S24 without the password. Now, we all know that in the process of resetting your phone, at some point, it's going to ask for your password, PIN, or pattern. So when you try to reset your phone, like I said, it's going to ask for the password or the PIN or pattern. Now, if you can't remember your password, PIN, or pattern, how do you factory reset your Galaxy S24? Now, for that one, we're going to have to hard reset inside recovery mode. Now, for this tutorial, I'll be using the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but this works on all the Galaxy S24 phones. So, to get into recovery mode, you're going to need a data cable. There's one that comes in the box, but of course you can use any data cable. And then also you're going to need a computer. Now this could be a Windows computer, could be a Mac, or could even be a Linux computer. As long as you have a data cable that you can connect from your phone to the computer via a cable. Okay, so let's go ahead and connect. So one end to the phone and the other end to the computer. Now luckily for me, I have a computer with a Type-C port. If you don't have a computer with a Type-C port, try finding a cable with the Type-A connector and Type-C on the other side, as long as you get your phone connected to the computer somehow. Anyway, so once you've connected like that, now keep in mind that we cannot even switch off the phone. So we're going to have to force a restart on this phone. And while the phone is restarting, we're going to make it restart in recovery mode. So here's what we're going to do. So we're going to force a restart using side button plus volume down. So we're going to long press these two buttons. And as soon as the phone goes off, you want to switch the volume button to volume up. So you're going to let go of volume down, press volume up, and keep holding together with the side key. And when the Samsung logo appears as your phone is restarting, you're going to let go of the power button and continue holding volume up, and that should put the phone in recovery mode. So currently, as you can see, the phone is on. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. So side button, volume down, press and hold. Just keep holding. Keep holding. Phone goes off. Switch to volume up while still holding the side key. Now we are looking for the Samsung logo as the phone restarts. So anytime now, the Samsung logo will appear. Anytime now. There you go. So let go of the power button or the side key and continue holding volume up. And like I said, that should put the phone in recovery mode. Okay. Now from here, you're going to scroll using the volume rockers. So volume down to scroll down and volume up to scroll up, and side key to select. So let's scroll down to wipe data / factory reset, and then use the side key to select that. And then it's going to tell you, basically going to give you a warning telling you wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. Yep, that's what you're trying to do. So scroll down to factory data reset and then use the side key to select that. And at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the progress. When you see data wipe complete, it means all the data has already been erased. And all you need to do now is go to, make sure reboot system now is highlighted, and then press the side key to select that. And that's going to reboot the phone, having performed a factory reset. Now, when you reset your phone like this, it's going to wipe all your user data except the Google account that was on this phone. Now you'll need the password for that Google account to gain access to the phone when setting up the phone afresh. You're still going to need that Google account. Now, if you want a detailed video on how to set it up again after a hard reset, I'll link a video down below on how to remove a forgotten password, PIN, or pattern, and you can follow the entire process on how to do that. But as far as formatting a phone or formatting the Galaxy S24 without a password, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and good luck.